So to install a Startimes antenna, to fix a Startimes antenna, you'll be needing a screwdriver. So once you get your screwdriver, the next thing is to bring out all the components of the antenna. When you're bringing it out, keep them independently of each other, so it will be very easy to pick up any one you want to use at any particular time and fix it. So these are all the components. The next thing, we have to open the paper containing all the screws and nuts and gently bring them out. Each of these has a role to play, so if you miss one of them, it will be very difficult to couple this antenna. So after we've done that, we have to pick one of the poles, the medium-sized poles, and put it in the hole in the reflector. There is a hole in the medium-sized pole, and there is also a hole in the reflector, so you have to put it such a way that the holes align. Then you pick a screw, put there, and use a screwdriver to screw it in properly. Do this for other reflector poles. Make sure they are properly screwed in. So once you're done, you keep that aside. So that's the last one. We're almost done. So you can see we're done. The next is to pick the support boom. There is a hole in support boom where you have to pass the directors. There are 3 directors, so you have to pass the directors in the hole in the support boom. And there is also a hole in the directors. There is a hole in support booms. So make sure the holes align together so you can pass your screw. Then use your screwdriver to screw it in properly. So you do this for the remaining 2. As I said earlier, there are 3 directors, so you do this for the remaining 2. We're almost done. So after that, the next thing is to pick the 10-meter quasar cable and then screw it in the circuit box. So you can see how I put it first, then gently turn the circuit box so it will screw itself in. Then after you've done that, there is a black sheet there. Use it to cover the entire thing. This will prevent moisture and rain from getting in, so it won't rust. It's for protection. So after you've done this, you pick up your support beam. Okay, I don't think I screwed the 3rd one, so I've done that. So you pick up the support boom, then you attach your reflectors to the support boom. So watch how I do this. This requires a specific, you have to put them at a specific angle, more like 45-degree angle. Then once you are putting this, you have to take cognizance of the holes in it. So you have to make it in such a way that the holes in the reflectors on the support, by the side of the support boom, everything aligns so you can pass your screw through it. Then at the extreme, you put your knot and tighten properly. So you see, the both reflectors are at an angle 45. This sends signal to the circuit box. So now we can now put the circuit box containing our quasar cable. We just put it on top the hole, just in front of the reflectors. Then there we put our nut underneath and knot properly. So tighten it so it will be strong. So after that, you can see our antenna has almost taken shape. We go ahead and unscrew the pole support. This is where you put the pole. After unscrewing it, you have 2 screws there. You put it just behind the reflectors. So you do that and you then put the screw. So this pole support is where you put your pole and tighten it so that it holds the antenna in position outside. so the antenna can get signal and then transmit the signal to your decoder, your Startimes decoder. So we are not outside yet, so I have to use a meter rule to demonstrate for you. The meter rule serves as our pole. You can see I put the meter rule there and I am screwing. So once I screw, the pole is a bit bigger, so it is always easier to tighten if it's a pole. So I will screw till it's tight, so the meter rule will hold the antenna in position. After I've done that, that is the end of the process. Easy, isn't it? So that's it. There you go. Our Startimes Yagi antenna installation is over. So you can now take your coaxial cable into the house and connect it to your decoder. So inside the house, the first thing you have to do is to connect the AV cable to the decoder AV output port. So you put it there, and then you take your adapter. This is what supplies energy to the decoder, and you put it into the adapter port and put the other end of the adapter to a power source to supply energy to the decoder. Then you pick up the remote and put your AA batteries inside, and the remote is ready for use. After you've done that, don't forget to put your antenna cable at the antenna in port of your decoder so that it will supply signal to it. Then you pick up your remote, and the first thing you see is this landing interface. You select English as your menu language, and if you have other languages that you prefer, you can select if you understand them. We have French, Swahili, and Portuguese. Then you select country of residence. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to scroll and look for Nigeria. Then I select Nigeria. So that's Nigeria. I think I pressed Nigeria. Yes, I navigate to the left and press OK. Then your decoder will start scanning. So you give the decoder some time. The scanning process takes approximately 5 minutes. So I'm just going to fast forward this stage so that we'll get over it as soon as possible. So after scanning, your decoder is ready to watch, and the next thing you just have to do is to load your channel list using your remote. Then select your channel of choice and press OK, and you start enjoying. So that's the end of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next episode. Bye.